Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install IntelliJ IDEA, which is one of the most popular Java IDEs on our Windows 10 64-bit operating system. We will install it with the newly released Java 16. So at first, we will install Java 16, then we will install IntelliJ IDEA. Let's begin with Java 16 installation.
At first, go to the browser. Herein we are using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type Oracle Java. On typing, the official website is visible, oracle.com/java. Click on it. Herein you can see the download Java button is visible. On the official website, click on it. On clicking, guys, Java SE 16 is the latest release. Herein click on JDK download. Now the downloads are visible. Go below. Herein you can see Java 16 downloads are visible for Linux, Mac and Windows. So we are going for Windows 10 64-bit. So we'll go for the following: Windows x64 installer 150 MB. It's an exe file, that means it's an installer. Click on it to download. Click on I reviewed and accept, and now the download button is visible. Click on it to download. The download started. You can see 151 MB. Wait for a few seconds. The download completed, guys. The exe file is visible here. Now we will begin with the installation. Double click on it. I'll minimize this. The setup started. Click on next. Now you can see it will install Java JDK 16, that is Java 16, under program files Java folder, and it will also create a folder JDK 16. If you want to change the location, you can click here and change the location, but I'll click on cancel because I am good to go with the default location. It will take 420 MB. Now click on next. Now the installation started. So guys, the setup completed. Now click on close. Here it is written successfully installed. Click on close. So guys, we have installed Java 16. Now we will set the path. Let us first see where we have installed it. So we installed in C drive, program files. Here it created Java folder. Here it is JDK 16, JDK 16, and here it is. Go to bin and copy this path. After that, guys, minimize, go to start, type environment variables. Click on the first one, not the second one. Many people are doing this blunder, and I'm getting a lot of comments that they clicked on the following and nothing was visible. Everything under environment variables was disabled. So click on the first one where it is written edit the system environment variables. Click on it. On clicking on the system properties, click on environment variables. Now guys, here it is. The following is for only Amit user, that is the user on this system, but the system variables are for all the users on this system. It's a good practice to go for this to avoid any future errors. So herein, go to path, double click. Now guys, all the environment variables are visible. You just need to click on new and just paste the path. Here it is. You copied before. We pasted the following path. We copied it before. Now click on OK. OK and the last OK. Now guys, we have also set the environment variables. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start. Type cmd. Click on it to open. Herein guys, type a command java ---- version and press enter. So guys, here you can see Java 16 is visible. The release date is also visible. And if the following can be seen, that means we have successfully installed Java 16.
So guys, we saw how we can download and install Java 16 or a Windows 10 operating system. Now we will download and install IntelliJ IDEA. Go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here and type IntelliJ IDEA and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, jetbrains.com. IntelliJ IDEA is owned by JetBrains. Click on it. So two versions are visible for downloading. Let's see both of them here and click on download. We will also mention this link in the description. So guys, you can see the ultimate version is visible, which is a paid version, but a 30-day trial is visible here. We will go for the default one, that is the free one. Here in free and open source is visible, that means it is completely free. You can see the differences from here. So I'll download the exe file, click on it. We want an exe file, yes, click on Windows to download. Now the download should begin. Here it is, 619 MB. It's a huge file. So guys, we have downloaded IntelliJ IDEA exe file. Double click on it to install. Let's minimize this. Click on next. Now choose the installation location. It will take 1.2 GB. It will get installed in program files JetBrains folder. If you want to change the location, click on browse. But I'll keep the same, so I'll click on cancel. Let us now click on next. Here in the installation options are visible. You can create a shortcut. You can also update the context menu and update the path variable. Now I'll click on next. Now the installation will start. Click on install. Now the installation started. You can see the details from here. So guys, here you can see we have installed it. You can reboot now. So click on reboot now and click on finish. It will reboot. After that, it also created a desktop shortcut. Let's reboot and click on finish. So guys, we rebooted our system. Now let us double click on the shortcut to open it. We want to import settings. We haven't installed IntelliJ IDEA. We will click on do not import settings. Click on OK. So here in guys, welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. It has started. Straight away, let us create a new project. Click here. So here in guys, it started. Here is the project SDK. It automatically detected that we have Java 16, which we just installed. If you want a new JDK, you can click on add JDK here, but I'll keep the same. Now guys, click on next. We are creating a Java project. Click on next. Here and add the project name. I'll add the name Amit application. Here is the project location path. Users on Amit underscore folder. This is the user folder. Under that, it automatically created IDEA projects. So we can see this. C drive, users, Amit underscore. Let's now click on finish. You can see on clicking finish, it created the IDEA projects folder, and under that our application, which should be empty right now. Yes, nothing is inside source folder. So let's keep as it is and we'll minimize this. Here you can see we started IntelliJ IDEA. Click on close. I'll maximize this. Here is the project. Now let us create a new Java class file. New Java class. Let's add the name demo and click on class. Press enter. Now herein we created it. We could have also created a new package, but this is fine. Now herein guys, we have created our program. Go to file, save all. Click on run here. Here demo, right, click on it. So herein guys, you can see here's the first Java program, studyperiod.com, never stop learning. The same is visible here. We ran it successfully. Now when you'll go to out, herein you can see the class file generated demo.class. Here you can see demo.class file generated because we ran demo class. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install IntelliJ IDEA and run our first Java 16 program. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.